Eso no era así, yeah. Soñé que me querías, pero me desperté. El sabor de tus labios.
Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That means let's go ahead and move on to today's video. I am in such a good mood today. I don't know if it's because I got to stay home. It's a snow day, so I got to stay home and relax, and I just love that. Anyway, today I am back with another Forever 21 try-on haul. I did one of these try-on hauls a couple weeks ago, and I loved everything that I got from Forever 21 that I decided to order a few more pieces, and a couple of them are actually from their Barbie collection. I'm actually wearing one right now, but I'm so excited to share with you the things that I got. I've been like loving their clothing. They're really good quality, so yes, I'm back to shopping there. But before I get started, I wanted to show you some items that my bestie Joey sent out to me for Valentine's Day. She's super sweet. She also has a YouTube channel. It's JJ's Pink Secrets. You guys need to check out her channel and subscribe. She has amazing content and really awesome hauls, so you're gonna love her videos. I'll link it down below. But Joey, thank you so much, girly. You are my bestie. So she got me the popular Starbucks cup. This is like trending so much right now, and I'm so glad I got one because these are so hard to find. And the lips here change colors whenever you put in like hot water or your hot coffee. So they're like a dark pink, and then when you pour your coffee, it turns into like a lighter shade of pink, and that is just so adorable. Like, I'm so excited that I got these, and these are like the reusable cups, so I am loving it. She also sent me some earrings, and I couldn't believe it because I've been looking for Juicy Couture earrings all over the place. I called all my stores around here and nobody has them, and I don't have one of those stores. I think they're called like the Ross stores in my area. I think the closest one is in New York, which is super far. But she got me the Juicy Couture heart earrings with the little crown. Like, I am obsessed. She also got me these little bow earrings. Let me take them out, and they have a pink bow with little pearls. How adorable are these? The last pair of earrings she sent me, I actually already put in my acrylic organizer, and they are these beautiful pearl bow earrings, and they have this like long tassel. And remember, I was telling you guys that I needed to get more earrings to put in my acrylic organizer, so now it looks so stinking cute. I am loving this. And she also got me this cute little wall plaque. How cute is that? It says, "Love you to the moon and back." It's like a little arrow. And she also got me this adorable pink top. It's so pretty, and I love that puffy sleeve detail, so I'll be trying this one out as well. But I loved everything so much, girly. Thank you so much. You are truly an amazing friend. So let's go ahead and move on to the try-on haul. So I guess I'll start off with this cropped sweater since I'm already wearing it, but it's so adorable. It's in this like off-white color, and it has the Barbie letters all throughout the front and the back of the sweater. It is such a cozy sweater. It's very warm, really good material, and I just love the way cropped sweaters look with like high-waisted leggings. I think they look really cute. But this is the first sweater that I got, and I believe there's still some more in stock. I don't know what sizes they have, but I am loving this sweater. I think it's just adorable. So up next is this gorgeous bodysuit. I think this one's like my favorite. Absolutely love it, and I paired it up with some high-waisted jeans to conceal some of this mommy belly, but I think it looks amazing with jeans or like paired up with some shorts. And this is like a really nice bodysuit. It's actually double lined, which I'm very impressed about. Really good, like stretchy, soft material, and it says Barbie. It also has this like square detail here that is trending right now, but I am loving this bodysuit so much. Super comfy. It does have like those snap closures on the bottom for easy on and off, but I don't know, what do you guys think? This is definitely my favorite. This is the kind of dress that I would wear to go out to a romantic dinner. It's beautiful. I am obsessed with this dress, and I didn't think I was gonna like it as much, but I am like loving it. And it's in this gorgeous velour. It's like a dark purple pink color. The description said it was like a light pink, but I don't think it's light at all. But it's beautiful. Like, I am obsessed with it. It's nicely fitted. It has a zipper in the back. It's very smooth, and it has this really nice like V neck in here, and then the puffy sleeves, which are so romantic. I am loving this dress so much. I'm so glad I got it, and it's also like in a perfect length, so it's not too short, and it's definitely something that I would wear out. So I am so happy that I got this dress. So this last dress is absolutely beautiful. I really wish you could see it in person, because in camera it definitely does not look the same, but it's gorgeous. It has rhinestones throughout the whole entire dress, even like the back of it, like everything. It's covered in these beautiful sparkly rhinestones, and it has this like see-through material on the top, and then it has like this slip in the bottom. But it's such an elegant dress, and you're not even going to believe the price on this. I got it for $10. How beautiful. I am so glad I got it. This is such a gorgeous dress. So this one here is the top that my bestie Joey sent to me, and I am loving this shirt so much paired up with jeans. It looks so cute, and I love the puffy sleeve detail, and it has a little bit of lace going around, which makes it look so cute. It also has that square detail here in the neck area, and it's in that perfect shade of pink, which you guys know I love. So I am so in love with this top. So that was it for today's haul video. I really hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Me ha fallado para no fallarte a ti, y ahora me pide